Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the low beam headlight bulbs in Nissan Sentra. Low beams are located on the outside of the vehicle, right here. This is the passenger side, and we'll start with this one. So you will be able to access the bulb from the top when you open the hood. You can reach the bulb, it's right here, but in this case the washer fluid reservoir is partially in the way, and we will remove it. It will simplify the replacement. You need to unscrew this one screw on top. It will come out. Now I'm going to pull this neck up. It is designed to be removed, and now we have significantly more space to reach the bulb. So I will put my hand inside right here, and you have to unscrew it counterclockwise. So turn it counterclockwise and the bulb will come out. To remove this bulb, you'll have to pull this plastic lever towards us and then remove the bulb. The bulb type is H11 for low beam bulbs. Insert the new one, the new bulb, snap it back in place, and push the bulb into the opening. Make sure that it aligns with the cutouts. Make sure that it goes in all the way, and then turn it clockwise like this. If you have a hard time installing it back, you can see this zip tie right here on the wire, which can be cut, and this will provide more room when you install the bulb, but make sure to reinstall this zip tie after you're done. Now I will reinstall the washer fluid reservoir. Make sure that this cutout goes into the appropriate spot. You'll need to push it in, and now you can reinstall this clip, which goes into the opening, and then it gets secured with this screw. You can actually, in this case, because it's plastic, you can simply push it in all the way. The driver's side is a little bit easier. You can reach the bulb like this without removing any parts. Again, we will turn it counterclockwise like this, and this is the bulb. Again, we will need to unplug it, pull this away from the bulb, and pull it up at the same time, and it will come off. Again, it's H11 bulb. This is how it looks, and these are the tabs, guys, that will go into the appropriate spots when you install it. Insert the new bulb, guys, till it snaps, then it goes in. And like I said, the good thing with this side is it is easily reachable, and turn clockwise, and the replacement is complete. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.